Same time as we were doing this in North Sulawesi, Brian Levitt and his team in Nusa Tenggara were doing the same kind of thing there. And there the drainage geochemical anomalies were more conventional. There were gold anomalies, there were copper anomalies, and there were gold and copper anomalies. At the time, of course, Newmont had not long gone through the process of being a multi-metallic miner and focused its attentions on the Newmont gold operations in Nevada following the Tibu and Pickens raid on the company that happened in 1987. And Newmont had decided to focus only on its gold property, so the Indonesian emphasis wasn't as much on the gold and the copper side of things as it was on the gold. So we followed up the gold anomalies first and found a number of gold anomalies, mostly in Zimbabwe, but some along the south coast of Lombok. But then we turned our attention to the copper-gold anomalies. And by a process of conventional following up of the anomalies, following them upstream, panning, taking more detailed drainage geochemical sampling, we finally found our way onto the area where Batu Hijau was eventually discovered. And by the time we got within about a kilometre of the outcropping supergene enrichment blanket, Bob Burke, who was a young geologist, not so young, he was a relatively newly graduated geologist, was putting his gold pan into the dirt every time he stopped to take a sample. And the trail of gold flakes got stronger and stronger, and when he got to the top of the hill, he said, "You don't need to assay any of this stuff," he said, "because we've got here by conventional panning. Oh, and by the way, all these spectacular signs of surface copper oxidation suggest that we got ourselves a tiger by the tail." So that was just, that discovery was made in 1990, just 2 years after the Messel discovery. So what had started off as being go off to Indonesia and see what you can find, on the first two of our contracts, the work had led to very significant mineral discoveries. We did the same sort of thing on the Bengkulu property in Sumatra, but we didn't find anything like as encouraging, and we shortly after that dropped the Bengkulu project. But Newmont went on and developed the Messel gold deposit and was put into production in March 1996. The Batu Hijau deposit got rapidly bigger, and eventually the environmental impact study and the economic feasibility study were done, and by the middle 90s a decision was made to spend $2 billion and build a brand new copper-gold porphyry mining and milling project, and that was commissioned in the third quarter of 1999. So what had started off as a hard hat, a rucksack, a briefcase and expense account, and me and one Indonesian geologist, when I left Indonesia to go to the corporate office in '96, we left Newmont with an Indonesian subsidiary of more than 10,000 staff, and an operation that became a significant part of Newmont's global business.